Hey everyone, welcome back to my DIY life. If you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. So today I'm going to be working on this like romantic, not necessarily for Valentine's Day, but just like a romantic sign that I'm going to be making to hang on the wall with a few things that I got from Target. So if you saw my Target dollar spot haul for Valentine's Day, you may have seen these things, but I got this little bag of these letter squares, and they spell out forever yours, you and me. So I thought I would take these and put them on here to make like a little sign. And then I also have this mini banner. It's like little hearts on a string. They're all glittery. I think I might maybe cut sections of this off and glue it on here or something like that. And I also have my trusty glue gun over here, heating up with my Gorilla glue sticks, and some scissors and a hole punch that I may or may not need. We'll see. So I'm just gonna get into this. It's $3 for this little pack of letters in the dollar spot. It used to be everything was $1 in there, but not anymore. This is a cute little bag. You'll probably keep it for something else. It's like canvas on one side and then plastic on the front. Okay, so let me get these situated. So what does it say? Forever yours, you and me. I just want to get them spelled out and just kind of see how much space it's going to take up. Forever. Okay, there's a little heart on the end of yours. Y. There you go. And then me. I might like it better up top. Let's see. So there's that. I'll have to kind of adjust it before I glue it, but I want to see what it's going to look like. I'm thinking kind of about there. I guess I probably want to start at this top. Then I'm probably going to drape some of these hearts on the corners and glue those on after I do the letters. I think I'm just going to move these out of the way actually, so I can use the ruler to straighten it out. Just wanna kinda and just check that the sides are even. Actually look like they're just about even that way. use use this kind of as a guide. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just start gluing and hope I don't mess it up. I was gonna lay them all on there, but I think if I have all the pieces on the board, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. So I'm just gonna start gluing these on. Okay, so I got the top row glued, so I'm just gonna go to the next one. Start with this cute little heart. I can already tell the top is a little bit uneven, but once you glue it on there, you can't really move it, so there's not much you can do. Okay. That. Okay, so I glued yours on, and I think I'm gonna make the you and the and the me all separate instead of putting you and me on the same line. So I'm gonna try it this way instead. Okay, so there's that row. I just want to see how it's going to lay out. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking right there. Okay, so I'm going to move these. I swear I keep thinking I hear an animal jumping around. That's not my dog. Maybe it's just the wind. Okay. Oops. Good enough. Try not to put too much glue on here because I don't want it to be too stringy. I don't want any strings showing on here. There's that. One more row. Okay, so there is that. Forever yours, you and me. So now I'm going to get into this, which is this mini banner. This is a 50-inch 1 count of banner. Here it has an example of using it as like gift wrap. But this was actually only $1 in the dollar spot. If I can rip it. Guess not. Okay, and there's those. Let's see. I think I might do just like a section of 3, at least on the top corners, maybe on the bottom corners too. So I'll probably wrap it around the back and glue it. Just I'm gonna cut a little bit extra. Oh, come on. I don't know where my craft scissors went. These are my kitchen scissors. I think I'm gonna glue it on the front too, just to give it a little bit more security so it's not, the little hearts aren't moving around. Just a little dot of glue. Like that. And then I'll glue it on the back too. See, sorry. Sorry to go ahead and get my craft scissors because those other ones were terrible. So I did this corner. I think it looks really cute. And go ahead and do that other corner. Little dots of glue. So I put both corners on. So it's got Forever Yours, You and Me. It looks really cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this craft. I thought that was a really cute idea and that I wanted to make, and I thought I would take you along with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so I went ahead and off of camera, I added some hole punch holes up here, and then I looped the string through here in the front, keeping the hearts in the front, and then I just tied a loop on the top. That way I can hang it on the wall. Okay, so here is the finished product. I think it looks really cute. I think I'm gonna hang it in my bedroom. I kind of want to do like a love theme in there. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this craft. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like this type of content. Check out all my links below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.